back once again to Judicious. Today we'll be talking about a new topic of CRM only, that is CRM in retail. In the past decade, the strategy of the retailers earlier was product centric, but now it has shifted to being consumer friendly, right? And this change has took place within the past decade only. Plus, there has been a rapid adoption of internet technologies as well. Earlier, it was not much, IT was not as much predominant as it has become nowadays. Now, due to this, the current generation of shoppers is getting more tech savvy because it has got more options. It can go online and search for any product over there. तो वो भी पहले से ज़्यादा क्लेवर हो चुके हैं, इफ़ वी मे से सो. नाउ सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स के पास इस टाइम सबसे ज़्यादा जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक या इशू जो है, दैट इज़ टू establish a strong customer relationship management process that accurately collects related customer data. So basically, information has become a major concern over here. Now, to compete successfully in the present dynamic environment, the key requirements in any CRM solution are these. There has to be predictive sales, revenue forecasting, greater staff productivity, organizing unstructured data, and automating and streamlining processes. So with this, we come to the question that what exactly is retail CRM? Right, if we talk about the traditional CRM, so that was a software that was basically developed around a B2B model, right? And typically it revolved around a sales cycle. वो business to business dealing को ही focus ज़्यादा करता था. However, if you talk about retail CRM, now this is something that was actually optimized to support the high frequency repeat purchasing of B2C, that is business to consumer model, right? So here we are talking about actual consumers, right? Not a B2B sales. So this was a difference basically. Now, what was the benefits of retail CRM? See, if you have ever in your life tried to track your customer by feeding their data in a Google Sheet, then knowingly or unknowingly, you have created a customer database, and basically you are again using your, maybe small businesses do that. They use a point of sale as a stand-in for a CRM. Now, these strategies might work in the early days because there is lesser number of customers are there, so it is quite manageable to just feed in their data because there is limited number of customers, and just feed it in the database only. But after some time, the problem arises when the customer number increases. So there arises a need for a program that help in managing all the customer data in an actionable way. Now, there are n number of benefits of introducing the CRM into a retail store, right? So there is client link. I'll tell you what it is: loyalty, personalization, performance tracking, and customer support. So these are the benefits of retail CRM. We just go through each one of them. Client link is basically, it is refers to the process of efficiently using customer data in order to create intimate customer रिलेशनशिप. स्मॉल स्केल अगर बिजनेस है तो क्लाइंट लिंक करना ईजी है क्योंकि हैंडफुल ऑफ कस्टमर्स है, तो it is not that tough over there. But when there is a larger number of audience, then it becomes very difficult to maintain relationship with each one of them. So that is when client link comes into play, and this can be provided easily by retail CRM. Next is loyalty. Of course, obviously, when there are certain rewards and intensive incentives that are being offered to your customer, right? Plus keeping a track of their responses which they gave in response to previous offers. So it obviously leads to a creation of a loyalty program, and it is very much likely that the customer might turn out to be your loyal customer in the long run, maybe because of these incentives and rewards which you are being offering. Plus पर्सनलाइजेशन. एक फैक्ट ये भी है कि अगर कोई ईमेल आपके पास आता है जिसके अंदर हेडलाइन में आपका नाम मेंशन्ड है या आपको लग रहा है कि वो स्पेसिफिकली आपके लिए है, बल्क मेल नहीं है, तो चांसेस आर कि 26% चांसेस ये हैं कि आप उस मेल को ओपन करके रीड करेंगे, राइट? अब जितने ज़्यादा टारगेटेड रहेंगे आप अपनी ऑडियंस के लिए, उतना ही ज़्यादा कन्वर्जन रेट भी होगा, उतने ज़्यादा आप अपने कस्टमर बना पाएंगे। अब CRM इन दोनों ही चीज़ में हेल्प करता है। जितना डाटा आप CRM, रिटेल CRM में फीड करेंगे, उतना ही ज़्यादा यू विल बी एबल टू सेगमेंट योर टारगेट कस्टमर and thereby personalize the message that you want to give to your audience, right? So that they feel ultra relevant reading the mail. Next is performance tracking. See, you will be having salesperson, right? तो उनकी परफॉर्मेंस को ट्रैक करने के लिए भी रिटेल CRM हेल्प करता है पर ट्रांजेक्शन बेसिस पर अक्रॉस कस्टमर segments पर. So this is again a very important benefit of a retail CRM to track the performance of your salesmen. And then there is customer support. Obviously, retail CRM, it will help you to better serve and support your customers, not only the existing ones but the new as well. Now, how to use a retail CRM? इसको use कैसे करें? First of all, you have to have an updated customer data. अगर data ही outdated है, then the whole process is waste because आप उनको contact ही नहीं कर पा रहे because of this incorrect data. So data should be updated, it should be correct. Then message your customers. खाली data रखने से काम नहीं चलेगा. You need to message or the motive here is to stay in touch with the customer. उनको भूलना नहीं है, stay in touch with them. Then collaborate with your team. प्रैक्टिकली जो वहाँ पर सेल्स टीम है उनके साथ प्लस द IT टीम जो कि रिटेल CRM सॉफ्टवेयर को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं, अपडेट कर रहे हैं, इनके साथ कोलैबोरेशन जरूरी है. एंड द लास्ट इज यू नीड टू ऑप्टिमाइज योर स्ट्रेटेजी एज टू व्हाट लॉन्ग टर्म गोल यू आर हैविंग. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल हैव अ रिटेल CRM software that supports that long term strategy plan of yours. Well, that is it in this session, for a small session regarding CRM in retail. We'll be continuing with more sessions. Thank you so much.